We have already left Walvis Bay some time ago when dawn reaches us, painting the sky with bright colors and enveloping us in a moment of pure wonder. The landscape, stretched out and unpaved up to the horizon, illuminated by warm, golden shades, makes every moment of this journey special. Today, 360 kilometers await us, a challenge between uphills and downhills that puts our truck to the test, which advances slowly, roaring as soon as the gradient increases. Every kilometer is a step towards our destination, the Sesriem Camp Site, our refuge for the night, which offers us the privilege of sleeping inside the Sossusvlei Park. Here, in the heart of Namibia, nature reveals its most majestic face. In the afternoon, a visit to Deadvlei awaits us, a surreal and iconic landscape where thousand-year-old trees stand like sculptures in the white desert. And then, the promise of the dunes. Dune 45 and the majestic Big Daddy, sand giants that dominate the landscape and invite you to climb their peaks to admire breathtaking views, which will remain etched in our memories for a long time. On the road that takes us from Walvis Bay to Sossusvlei, suddenly the two bright and unmistakable signs appear, one on each side of the road. They indicate the Tropic of Capricorn. There is something special about crossing this imaginary line, a border that we have only seen in atlases and globes, and that we now find ourselves in front of, marked by a simple sign in the middle of nowhere. It is precisely the great nothing of the Namibian desert that makes the moment so unforgettable. The isolation of this sign, its solitary and slightly battered presence, frames the infinite vastness of this land, a place where geographical and mental boundaries blur. We know well that it is not a tourist attraction in the traditional sense, yet stopping here, in this place that marks the symbolic passage of the tropic, gives us a sense of conquest, as if we had crossed a threshold, an unusual finish line that not everyone has reached. It doesn't take long. A quick stop to take a photo, enjoy the magic of the desert, before setting off again for another long ride through the dunes and the boundless silence of the Namib.